Have you ever wondered what it truly means to be confidently yourself, regardless of life's uncertainties? We're about to embark on a journey into the ancient wisdom of Stoicism, where we'll uncover the secrets of true confidence. Stoic philosophers have a lot to teach us about facing challenges, embracing vulnerability, and discovering an unshakable self-assuredness. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Stoicism and find out what true confidence is all about. In a world often dominated by the pursuit of external validation and approval, the concept of true confidence stands as a beacon of inner strength and self-assuredness. True confidence, as the Stoic philosophers would argue, isn't found in the opinions of others or in the accumulation of material wealth. Instead, it is rooted in a deep understanding of one's own character and the principles of Stoic wisdom. The Stoic approach to true confidence begins with recognizing that the only domain we truly control is our own minds. Everything else, external circumstances, other people's opinions, and the unpredictable twists of fate, are beyond our direct control. However, this realization doesn't lead to passivity or resignation. Rather, it empowers us to focus on what we can control: our own thoughts, actions, and responses. 1. Self-awareness. True confidence starts with a profound self-awareness. Stoics encourage us to know ourselves deeply, including our strengths and weaknesses, values and principles. Through self-reflection, we gain a clear understanding of who we are and what we stand for. 2. Acceptance of the present. Stoicism teaches us to accept the present moment and embrace life's uncertainties. True confidence doesn't depend on future outcomes or external circumstances. It is the result of embracing the here and now with all its imperfections. 3. Resilience. The Stoics advocate for building resilience through adversity. True confidence doesn't waver in the face of challenges. Rather, it thrives in adversity. Stoics believe that hardships are opportunities for growth and character development. 4. Stoic virtues. True confidence aligns with the Stoic virtues, which include wisdom, courage, justice, and self-control. By embodying these virtues in our actions and decisions, we cultivate a strong and virtuous character. 5. Impartiality. Stoicism encourages us to treat all external events, whether favorable or unfavorable, with equanimity. True confidence is not contingent on external success or failure. It remains steady and unshaken. 6. Rationality. Stoicism emphasizes rational thinking and wise decision-making. True confidence arises from making decisions based on reason and understanding what is truly within our control. In the Stoic view, true confidence isn't boastful or arrogant. It is humble, grounded, and resilient. It doesn't seek validation from others, but rather it draws strength from living in accordance with one's principles. True confidence is unshakable because it's based on the unchanging core of one's character rather than the fluctuating opinions and circumstances of the world. So the next time you find yourself seeking external validation or struggling with doubts, remember the Stoic wisdom on true confidence. Embrace your authentic self, accept life's uncertainties, and focus on what is within your control. In doing so, you'll discover a confidence that transcends the fleeting and external, and you'll stand firm in the unshakable strength of your character.